Hello everyone. Soshanguve Magistrates Court has granted 5,000 rand bail to the new host of Moja Love anti-drug show Sizokuthola, Xolani Maphanga, and his bodyguard Bongani Mkabela, who is also director and owner of Tsenelo Private Investigative Company, have been charged with 3 counts of attempted murder and trespass. Maphanga and his crew allegedly assaulted 3 people in Soshanguve while the show was being recorded in March. A case of assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm was opened at Soshanguve police station after the alleged assault. National Prosecuting Authority spokesperson Lumka Mahanjana said on 14 March the duo with other Moja Love crew members who have not been identified allegedly went to the complainant's house in Soshanguve looking for drugs they claimed she was selling, and said when they could not find the drugs, it is alleged the two started to assault a woman who is a complaint in the matter with Shambok and choked her and suffocated her brother. 3 days after the incident, the woman reported the matter to police. Maphanga and Mkabela handed themselves over to the police on April 9 after a warrant of arrest was issued for them. In their bail bid, the two denied committing the offences. The state did not oppose bail but asked the court to order that they should not communicate directly or indirectly with the witnesses and should report to their closest police station once a week. The matter has been postponed to May 21 for further investigations. Maphanga was announced as the new host of the popular show in February after former presenter Xolani's axing in November last year because of a similar issue. The channel said at the time it decided to part ways with Khumalo after concerns were raised about his knowledge and involvement in the unlawful incidents that led to the possible contamination of crime scenes, failed prosecutions of known drug lords, and unfortunate tragedies that followed the filming in certain episodes. Khumalo is on trial for the murder of Robert Fourie, who died during a recording of the show. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.